In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Twitch buffering issues on Google Chrome. If you've been struggling with this common problem, you're in the right place. Let's dive into some effective solutions that should alleviate those pesky interruptions during your streaming sessions. The first thing you'll want to do is check your internet connection. A strong and stable connection is crucial for smooth streaming. If your connection is weak or frequently drops out, consider moving closer to your router or using a wired Ethernet connection for improved speed and reliability. Next, restart your router. Unplug your router from the power source, wait around 10 to 15 seconds, and then plug it back in. This reset can often clear up temporary connectivity issues that might be causing buffering. While you're at it, ensure that any automatic updates or downloads are paused, as these can consume bandwidth, leaving less available for streaming. Another key step is to update your Google Chrome browser. Having the latest version ensures you're equipped with the most current updates and bug fixes, which can enhance performance and security. To do this, click on the three dots in the upper right corner of your browser, navigate to Help, and select About Google Chrome. Here, Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them. Once your browser is up to date, clear your cache and cookies. Browsing data can accumulate over time and slow down your browser, causing streaming issues. To clear your cache, click those same three dots in the top right. Go to More Tools, then Clear Browsing Data. Opt for All Time in the time range. Drop down to thoroughly clean your browser. Turning off any hardware acceleration can also significantly help. Hardware acceleration is designed to improve performance by offloading tasks to your GPU, but it can sometimes cause compatibility issues with streaming. Go to Chrome Settings, click on Advanced, then System, and toggle off the hardware acceleration option if it's enabled. If you often have multiple tabs open, try closing some of them or using an extension like the Great Suspender to limit the resources they consume. This can free up valuable memory and processing power for streaming. Don't forget to check for any Chrome extensions that might be interfering with Twitch. Disable those that might be adversely affecting performance, especially those related to ad blockers, as they can sometimes disrupt video playback. Lastly, updating your computer's graphics drivers is worth considering, as outdated drivers can also result in buffering issues. Depending on your graphics card, visit the manufacturer's website for the latest drivers and follow their instructions for updating. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should see a marked improvement in Twitch streaming on Google Chrome. We hope these tips help enhance your viewing experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more troubleshooting and tech advice.